favorite things to do every morning is open up the curtains of the old church and enjoy that pretty view. And then let's go on inside. And this is the bell tower. And so much stuff needs to happen here. But right now, we are focusing on turning this beautiful 152-year-old church into a European Christmas market. We're gonna have stalls, we're gonna have baking, we're gonna have hot chocolate stands. It's our first time ever doing it here in Locust Gap, Pennsylvania. And I'm gonna give you a little tour of how it's going. And I think we only have, what's today, Sunday? Tuesday, Wednesday, we have 4 days until we open. So, the entrance to the market is gonna be over here. This all has to be moved. That's all going to be display gallery. Gift wrapping station, North Pole sign is moving. I'm making these incredible little, they're gonna be super cool. You'll log Tompkins on this aged bark that we have. I'm gonna be doing that today. I'm gonna be using, you've seen this used in crafts. I'm gonna be using some of this stuff to make some interesting things for here. And up above here, where we have my lovely husband. Oh, the squirrel's waving his tail. Oh, it's squirrel action time. Uh-oh. Oh my gosh, there's 3 in the tree. 3 in the tree. I hope you can see them. They like to chase each other off. Up here, there is foam that Morton put in yesterday above our new door. And I'm gonna cut that off. I'm gonna use that as snow. I have some assorted bits and bobs that I'm using as well. I think we're gonna put a vertical toboggan as well. This market is gonna change so much. This is just a table sitting here of some things that I've been up to. We have to put up so many more fairy lights, and so many more goodies. We have swizzle sticks. We have a Christmas tree lot of fused glass Christmas trees. Lots of jewelry. Oh, don't forget the enchanted glowing mushroom stick with a fairy on top for good measure. Lots of little houses. A lot of the fiddly parts are done already. We just have to unpack them and set them up. Lots of little things. This table has to be cleared. There's just gonna be so much to this. You're gonna wanna, oh, this is gonna be one of the focal points. Back here is a hot chocolate station on that tartan tablecloth. And we're gonna have a hot chocolate fixings bar. And we're going to have baked goods for sale. Can't see the forest, it's not lit up yet. We're gonna do something super cool to disguise our scaffolding that is up. We're gonna make it look enchanted. I'm gonna have some of my big paintings that I've never had for sale before for sale here. That's one of them. It's down there, it's a mixed media, big canvas. Lots of our little fused glass on wood. And I'm gonna be offering this for the very first time. This is a fused glass. I call it the mantis martini or the mushroom martini. Some people say it looks like a praying mantis, but I carved that piece of wood for it to stand in. And it does look super cool. looks super cool in there. And another mermaid painting for sale. Dragonfly lantern. So much more to go out. So much more to go out. I was thinking about displaying this one vertically, but I'm not quite sure where. I don't want it to fall over. My felted, needle felting mermaid. And I'm trying to get organized. We're gonna have some sitting area, some seating here and over on that pew. I want people, that table's moving and this little table's moving. I want people to feel like they can come in and stay a while, but the real kicker here, what I think is gonna be the real special thing is gonna be the backdrop of all of this happening in this beautiful old church. But the other cool thing is going to be the fact that we're bringing in so many pine branches, pine boughs, and it is LED lighting. That's why it's looking blinky. But I have to move this table. These light up here. That lights up, and it's a fairy of the forest face. Little fairy houses. I want to create a whole little, I'm going to have all of our fairies kind of in one place. Mermaids in one place, Christmas in one place, Tomten in one place, little gnomes. And there's so much more stuff coming out. I have boxes and boxes and boxes filled with stuff that I have made to put up here. But this is the start of it. And like I said, there's going to be a big star of the show is going to be under these canopies up here. We are putting in so many fresh pine boughs that you're going to feel like you're in a forest of pine trees. So stick around. If you are anywhere December 1st, 2nd, 3rd of 2022 near Locust Gap, Pennsylvania, you should come in and see us. 10 to 5. All inside. We're going to end up, I think we're ending up with 120 feet of tables. A lot of tables. But all inside. So no matter what the weather is, you're going to be able to enjoy it. And you're going to be able to see the church all decorated and its prettiness. So there's a little morning tour for you of our enchanted fairyland that's about ready to get a whole lot more enchanted because we've never had a Christmas village in here before. And I'm going to put this lamp that's already Christmas tree shaped. I'm going to put real branches of pine all around it, and then have the shelves have 3 special things on those 3 shelves. Not quite sure what yet. But come along, see the show, enjoy it, and get ready to get a real European Christmas vibe going in your holiday. Merry Christmas early.